Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Behind us, we have a brand new LDV Deliver 9 long wheelbase high roof that's just been converted into a motorhome. Let's go check out what we've done. All right, so it's inside the van. You can see it's pretty roomy, nice and open in here. We've done our pre-finished matte white wall linings with our white pine slatted ceiling system. And I think it's combination with the colors. It looks really, really nice. So this was designed for a client who's going to be working on the road, living out of the van. So we have a desk here, which will have a seat at. You have the option to pull this table up here and just extend that bench space all the way through. GPO there for when you're going to be plugging in your laptop or computer, and then all of our electrics above that to control lights, hot water system, water pump, all that sort of stuff just there. We can just easily pop this one back down and that locks away there. We went with the east-west bed, which you get 1800 long, and we went with a double width. So a pretty good sized bed there. And then we have a allocation for a fridge space underneath the bed there, which is fit the Dometic 130-litre fridge freezer. We have a nice little storage unit directly behind the passenger seat. And in this van from factory, we went with the two seats. So they usually come with a bench seat, but we wanted that access to be able to walk straight through the van, which actually is, I think it's a really handy feature. And it just, you jump in and out when it's bad and you want to park up where you are. You can actually just get out and go straight back into your space. So we have then the shower toilet here. And we went with the roller door, which I just think is a really nice, clean system. They look awesome. They're easy to use, and that just made it back to the other side. We've got Thetford porta potty there. We've got some really good overhead shelving up in here. And then on the other side over here, we have the little kitchenette, which is the sink, the tap, a little bit of storage here underneath. With the east-west bed heads, we created like carpeted with insulation behind it just to soften it up a little bit. And we do that extension to just give us that extra bit of length, which then allows us to have more space in this front area. I think that's sort of front of house. We'll take you to the garage of the van and show you what I've done out there. All right, back of house. So underneath our bed frame, which is all made out of aluminium, just for lightweight purposes, we have we pretty much boxed in the wheel arches, and then that's obviously where the fridge allocation is. On the left side over here, it's where all our electrics are. So we've got a 300 amp hour lithium battery, and then we have an EnerDrive E-System board, which houses a 2000 watt inverter charger. So when you're off grid, you can still use your 2000 watt inverter charger, but plug has the option to plug into mains power. And then we're going to charge off the solar panel on the roof as well. So a three-way charging system in this van, and plenty of lithium battery to keep you off grid. But then you have the luxury of being able to plug into power as well. On the other side of the wheel arch, we just have pretty much just storage space. So it just shelves through. We've got some of our plumbing running through there, and then that just runs through there. Then we just got an open space, so you can add a little tray down the track, or pretty much just leave that up to you as how you want to sort it out the garage and what you want to put in there. That's really the garage. We'll show you the services on the van. All right, so the services on the van, we have our Shore Power. Then we have our tank filler, which is our custom designed 100-litre water tank that fits underneath, specifically designed for the LDV. There'll be a link up here. You guys can go check that out if you're interested. And then we have just a tank filler. So a main water and then a tank filler. And then obviously roof racks, solar on the roof. and we have a Fiamma awning, F35S on the other side, which is also attached directly to the van. All right, so that's a wrap for our latest LDV Deliver 9 van conversion. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel if you do enjoy our videos. It really helps out a lot. Stick around. We've got some really cool videos coming up of current builds that we are doing. So look forward to sharing that with you guys then. Thanks for watching.